how to increase your Cash App borrow limit. So I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, we'll click on our profile icon in the top right. Then here we're just going to find limits. So click on limits, and this is what it's going to say. So access higher limits. You can get higher limits and access to other features by verifying your identity. So if we verify our identity, so it asks us for our social security number, ID, so on and so forth, we can increase our borrow limit. And another way of how you can increase your borrow limit is simply by using Cash App constantly. So if you use it, then it might automatically increase your borrow limit. And the last thing that you can actually do is go to support here, and then we will just click on chat, and you want to ask if you're eligible for the increase of the borrow limit. And basically what this is going to do is going to connect you to a Cash App support representative, and they will explain if you're eligible and any further steps that you can take to increase your borrow limit. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.